Welcome to Plus, how to use Grok AI for free. Grok, the AI chatbot developed by Elon Musk company XAI, was initially available only to premium subscribers on X or Twitter. However, as of December 2024, Grok has been made accessible to all users, including those on the free tier. Oh, that outline animation is sick, to be honest. For those who have not used Grok, it's an AI that can produce unfiltered answers with advanced capabilities in reasoning, coding, and visual processing. It can generate images too. It can be used in everyday tasks. It can boost productivity. Okay, so where can we use it? We can use it from inside Twitter. See, that is what irritates me. Why they can't give me a web-based version of Grok outside Twitter? Elon Musk uses Twitter all the time. Maybe that's why he has integrated Grok in Twitter. Or maybe he wants to give an impression that Grok is feeding on massive information from Twitter in real time. So it's a big deal. But anyways, Twitter is banned from where I live. That's right. Where is my freedom of speech, man? Anyways, I can unban myself by using VPN. And now my freedom of speech has been restored. But where is Grok? x.com/ia/Grok. You can also access it from the left sidebar. We can even use full screen mode for Grok. So let's put it to the test. We can attach images or files to it. We can generate images by using Grok. We can analyze a post, summarize text, analyze PDFs, role play with Grok. We can summarize Twitter profile. We can get recommendations. Let's analyze PDFs. Let's attach a file. Describe this image. I would need the image to be uploaded or linked for me to describe it. Please provide the image or a link to it, and I'll be happy to describe. I provide the image, attach image or file. Let's attach it again. Let's attach a JPEG, low resolution image. Okay, the image depicts a futuristic scene inside a spaceship's cockpit. At the center of the image, there is a cat dressed in a spacesuit, complete with a helmet, sitting in the pilot's seat. The cockpit is filled with various control panels and screens, illuminated with blue and orange lights, suggesting a high-tech environment. Outside the large windows of the cockpit, you can see a view of space with stars, a planet with rings resembling Saturn, and distant galaxies, creating a scene of depth and an outer space setting. The cat looks calm and focused, adding a whimsical touch to this sci-fi scene. Yeah, she looks calm and focused. So it described the image with good amount of details, I should say. Okay, so let's provide a PDF and ask this question from PDF. Okay, according to this PDF file, what was the Ada Lovelace contribution? Please sign up for premium to upload PDF. So that is available for premium users. Okay, so let's ask questions. Why does Elon Musk use Twitter all the time? Well, these are from references and sources. Elon Musk's extensive use of Twitter, now known as X, can be attributed to several strategies and personal reasons. Direct communication, brand and public persona, influence on markets. Yeah, that for sure. Okay, can it code? Code me something interesting in JavaScript. A little program that takes few inputs and displays the answer. Must be small program and tell me how it works. Here is a small JavaScript program that calculates the body mass index (BMI) based on user inputs for height and weight. It's simple, interactive, and useful for understanding how JavaScript can handle user inputs and perform calculations. Cool. So it can write code as well. Here is the JavaScript. Let's run the code. Enter your height in meters. Let's say 1 meter. Enter your weight in kilograms. Let's go with 70. Your BMI is this. All right. So this is Grok. It's free, but it has limits. Of course, they have to let users taste this service before they make a purchase, right? Otherwise, they will be left behind in this AI race. So, the limitations: free users can send up to 10 messages to Grok every 2 hours and analyze up to 3 images per day. But they may have changed it, so it's good to confirm. Give me a cat image reading book. I can generate images based on a description. What kind of image would you like me to create? I will have to type the prompt again. A cat reading a book. I do not like the UI. This is not user friendly. And it is inside Twitter. Okay, so here's the cat. Image generation is fast. Nice. Wow. So image generation is good, kind of good. I like the image generation. Anyways, you can still use some part of Grok for free, and there are more ways to use it. For example, go to poi.com. It's po or poi, POE.com. They couldn't find a good name for the service. It's poi. Maybe it's something good and tasty in another language. Let's see. Detect language. Yeah, it's just poi. So, anyways, sign in using free account and click Grok 2 to use Grok here. Let's see. What is trending on Twitter from United States right now? Only good trends. As of my last update, here are some positive trends from the United States on Twitter. Mental Health Awareness Month. Teachers Appreciation Week. Adopt, don't shop. Small Business Saturday. Eco-friendly living. Alright. Okay, so here's another way to use Grok for free. We have website LMArena.ai. Here we can go to Arena side by side. We can even compare Grok with other AI models, such as ChatGPT. Like from here, we can select Grok 2 or Grok Mini. And here perhaps ChatGPT. We can compare it with ChatGPT. Let's ask question. JavaScript or React.js, what should I learn first? ChatGPT 4.0 seems to be fast. Grok seems to be slow. From ChatGPT, if you're deciding between learning JavaScript and React.js, you should learn JavaScript first. Here's why. React.js is built on JavaScript. Core concepts in JavaScript apply to React. JavaScript is versatile. React is easier once you know JavaScript. Suggested path: start with JavaScript, move to React. And here are some resources. Alright, so this ChatGPT is detailed, but Grok is not. It's brief, kind of brief. When deciding whether to learn JavaScript or React.js, first consider the following steps. Understand the basics of web development. Okay, it is telling me to go way back. First learn web development, then learn JavaScript. Why JavaScript first? Then move to React.js. Okay. So here is how you can use Grok for free. I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.